Want your remodel to last for years? The secret isn't just design, it's expert guidance. KC, Remodeling in Vancouver, WA, provides professional insight that ensures your kitchen, bathroom, basement, or outdoor space is built to last. From planning to execution, expert contractors prevent mistakes that can lead to costly repairs. Expert guidance means choosing the right materials, following building codes, handling permits, and ensuring structural integrity, all tailored to your home's needs. High-quality tile, moisture-resistant drywall, and durable decking aren't just upgrades. They protect your investment and extend the life of your remodel. With KC Remodeling, projects are carefully planned, efficiently executed, and managed in-house for consistent quality and communication. The result? Reduced maintenance costs, long-lasting beauty, and a remodel that adds real value to your home. KC Remodeling, Vancouver's trusted general contractor. Contact us today for expert guidance on your next remodel.